Hello everyone, today I just want to introduce you quickly the Isuzu motorhome that I'm selling, just to show you inside out. So this is it, view from the outside, all around. This is the bicycle rack that I currently covering it from the rain, but as you can see, you can carry it with two bicycles, as you can see in the photos. This is the storage area, lots of stuff still inside. This is the from this side. You have this awning, windows. Just opened all the storage areas. I'll just show you in a minute, just to save time. And of course I'm going to show you the roof. This is the roof, newly installed solar panel. We recently renovated the roof, so it's really in good shape. This is the vent for the bathroom. This is the main vent with fan. And reverse camera, and that's the vent for the cooking facilities. Alright, so let's start from the back. So here we have the water tank, and this is 9 kg gas, which the water heater runs, and the cooking facilities. Vents for the fridge. This is this where you put your water, and here where you put the straight connection to water without needed to use the tank. And here is the electricity area, so now it's connected to power. And this is the toilet, therefore cassette toilet outside. This is the newly installed Chemek instant water heater. So it works on gas and 12 volts, almost takes no power. This is the outside shower. And the fuel area. This is the diesel heater exhaust. Here it's another storage, and there is some tools and hose and whatever needed. This thing, it's how it's called, suspension, like air suspension system, that is quite good. And that suspension you just top up from the inside, very easy. The wheels, as you can see, they're all in quite very good condition. These are completely new. And this is the kilometers, and this is the air suspension. And this is the back area. So just wanted to know, I'll show you inside, but that can be removed. I just put it for heating purposes. But this is the two seats from the inside. Yes, and what else? Yeah, let's go to the inside. This is the inside. As you can see, you can put the net. And this window, just to consume heat, I just put this stub, but that can be completely removed. Storage, and just from back getting inside. This is newly installed battery charger and more storage. And this is the gas and the sink. sink. And of course all the windows are double glazed with nets. That's the shower, sink, and of course toilet, vent, and diesel heater area. So here still clothes, still kind of living in it. This fridge is huge, believe me, there is so much space. There is a small area for freezer that you can put some food, but this fridge area is just huge. And this is the living space, so you have of course all those cabinets and really nice windows, and this table of course completely removable, and all this thing can be open for a bed. And also you can have a bed area, and you just need to put a mattress or whatever fits you, and that can be like that, very easily converted to bed. So this is that. Of course you have some storage underneath, and 6 seat belts, 4 seat belts here all around, so 2 people in the front, 4 people at the back. And I want to show you, so you see just piece of wood, and you can screw just 3 screws. You unscrew it and then you can go inside the cabin from the inside, so it depends, that's your preference how to do it. Here is the fan. This is good insulation stuff, and this is how you open the vent. It can external and internal, so now change the direction, and you have different speeds, so it's up to you to choose it. And what else? And diesel heater. I'll just show you the diesel heater. So diesel heater is just here. Yeah, so that's the diesel heater. All right, so this is it, I guess. This is all your panel, and and of course the electricity tuner, and you can do the power from here. So that's basically that.